This is 𝙏𝙏𝙏 and this is gonna jump in the water and the water's gonna flow. You can study now, my brother. Wow, he dying like a fishing. He going in that water. I cannot see him. Oh, there. I see it now. Wow, you can swim it. Purple. Black. Gonna set a new world record for the swimming set. Wow, what a wonderful swimming. Wow. Ya, Madara Uchiha. Swim faster. Wow. So fast, so very dangerous right here there. So very dangerous. Swim it more, Madara Uchiha. Cái gì ở ngoài nó đổ khá sạc chứ. Julia. Wow, what a wonderful, lovely weather. Whoa, he gonna jump. You gonna die, bro. You gonna die. Okay, you go swim in the water. Wow, you feel like an actor in the water. You are very slow, Madara. How do you feeling when you come to the village and swimming? How do you feel?
I feel so good. I'm so excited.
Okay, you can swim it now. Can swim again.
Wait for a few minutes.
Don't go right there because it is too dangerous.
It's okay, man.
There is an alligator, man. He gonna bite your foot and your leg.
Ah.